So is the small extra expense in the ratcheting feature of these straps worthwhile? Okay, only one thing to do. I'm going to unbox this, show you what comes in it, and then I'm going to show you how I tie down this awning up above my head when we have storms down here in Florida, and it really makes a difference the way this works. Let me show you what it comes with. So I do need to tell you these were provided to me by AUGO, however you want to pronounce it. They make great stuff. This is what it looks like. Comes with 2 sets of the straps in the ratcheting system, 2 sets of the soft straps to attach whatever you're strapping down to, and a really nice storage bag. Let me show you how this stuff works and why I think it's worthwhile. Okay, this is a wild one where this has completely exceeded my expectations now that I've used it a little bit. Let me show you. First off, I always like these soft straps. Makes it so easy to tie things down. You could obviously use this to tie down motorcycles, jet skis, quads, dirt bikes, all that kind of stuff. But for my purposes here, I'm going to demonstrate to you how I have to tie this awning down every time a storm comes here in Florida. You know, a hurricane. So you can simply put that over there, nice and easy. Hook this on. Has this nice spring-loaded hook. Okay, that's on there like that. So now, watch this easiness. You just simply press this button down. It just releases this. And then I have myself a heavy weight that I put on the ground, hook that on there, right? Wait, I'm not even done with the amazing stuff, right? So we got that down there. Look at all this slack. Oh, where'd all the slack go? And then all you do is ratchet it for your couple last things till you get the tension you want. Lock it up. You're done. That is it. That's all there is to it. Then after the storm passes and your wife says, you gotta clean up all the stuff outside, you just go outside. Obviously you hit this again, fully go forward, relax it a little bit, you get some slack. Now, don't be a doofus. Hold on to this so that it doesn't flail around, but you just simply hit this button, winds all the way up. That is it. That is worth any additional expense that's involved in this over a conventional one. This is an absolute no-brainer. You should have this. I'm so happy I have this. This is a little silly how much I like this, but it's so cool. I'm gonna have to give this a full 6 out of 5 on the Doug score. This is beyond a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.